How to tune. Amped listens to you play, so make sure you're in a relatively quiet place when playing. Whether you're on electric or acoustic guitar, doesn't matter. Both work, and you don't need any cables or amplifiers. Now, to tune the guitar, you start with the thinnest string. It's the string on the bottom of the guitar and furthest away from you. This string is also marked in the illustration on the screen. To tune the string, simply pick it once and wait for the meter at the bottom of the screen to react. If the meter goes to the right, then the string is too high. If it goes to the left, it's too low. As you see, the string is too low. To tune it, follow the string to the head here and turn the knob for that same string. In this case, since the string is too low, you should turn the knob so you hear the pitch go higher. Only turn the knob slightly and look at how the meter reacts. If the meter moves even more to the same side, then you're turning the knob the wrong way. But if you're turning it the correct way, you'll see that the meter is moving closer to the middle. Remember to only turn the knob slightly each time. You should repeat this until the meter is green and says perfect, like this. The first string is now in tune. Now, click on the next string and repeat the procedure for the remaining strings until all strings are in tune. Guitars always get out of tune with time, so you should tune your guitar before each session.